I want you to see, not you, but the listeners, what the power of being authentic. I'm sharing about myself, and all of a sudden Rob tells a story and he gets emotional. And that's the power of number one storytelling, the power of being authentic. It breaks barriers down. You started by the intro on talking about breaking barriers in this complex digital era. We're on two sides of a screen right now, but yet
Yeah.
we feel like brothers from another mother. Yeah,
Yeah.
we got the commonality of the shaved head, but we've got this commonality because we bonded through being able to share some stories and be able to connect that way. So there's power in that authenticity.